have been crocheting a bit for my blue book, a little carpet, some curtains and some holder for the curtains, and I'm going to put this aside for now. Then I measured out my window and I'm going to see if I can show you. Okay, I know the view of this is quite odd. I placed my book on the back so you can see the whole window, and I cut a piece of wood that fits my window but is a little longer in each end, as you see. And I made 2 dark blue beads of polymer clay, and I'm going to glue one of them in place right away. So I'm just putting a tiny bit of glue on the wood stick, and for some reason I'm really shaky today, and placing one of these beads on there, saving the last one. Then I'm going to take these curtains that I crocheted. I just took a pattern, measured how long I wanted it to be over the window frame, and divided it in 2 here, and then just moved on with the pattern here and then right there. But you need to find your own pattern, because when I crochet I'm just working on it. So I am going to start in one end here, pushing the pin through one of those loops here and back through the next loop. So it sits like that, and I'm going to do that all the way, but it's quite hard, so I'm just going to do it off camera, so I will be back. When you have it all on here, and by the way, this is a bamboo skewer, I'm going to glue this end like that, and I'm going to place this one. There we go. Then I am going to take my curtains and I'm going to place them, and this is really hard to move, but that's fine, because that means that it will stay in place when it's hanging. And I'm deciding for the side I like the better. I think that's this one. There we go. So I'm going to put a bit of glue on the back side of these and glue this thing directly onto the wall. So I'm putting glue on these blue pearls and making sure I'm not gluing my curtain, and placing my curtain so it sits in the middle, and so that it is a nice place from the top, but not too long from the top. Actually, I think mine is a bit too long right there. And I'm going to leave this for to dry for a little before I do anything else, so I won't ruin my work. So leave that for drying, and then I will be back. So it's all dry now. Now I'm going to take the curtain and fold it together right there, and put this little piece around it to hold the curtain. I know you can't see anything right now, but something like that. And then I'm going to glue it down so it sits really nice here in the side, something like that. But I'm going to do that off camera, and then you will have some pictures of it later. But I'm going to glue this little piece here, this little one, around the curtain and glue it down so it looks really nice. And that's all there is to it. The little carpet here that I made for the floor, I'm going to glue that down on the floor too, so it looks nice. And I'm just going to show you that on a picture also. So that was all there was to this little video, so happy crafting!